In the next series of videos, we're going to take this original sheet that we've been working on and we're going to essentially spruce things up a little bit. But the main thing is we're going to use the calculations here, use the numbers here to make some calculations and determine how much of a loan we have to take out to open up a music store and purchase the equipment that you have here. Okay, and then we're also going to take that information and figure out how much profit we're going to have, considering the fact that we got to pay interest on the loan and all that kind of stuff, and we're going to basically do some budgeting. So I'm going to go ahead real quick and just tidy up, populate some of the information here, and then we will move on to some other of the functions and formulas. Okay, so hang tight. I'm going to fix this real quick. Aha! Now see, that was pretty quick, right? Told you I was going to be quick about this. First thing, we need to calculate our total cost and total value over here. These are some pretty important factors that come into play, with things like loans and P&L and all that kind of stuff. And surprisingly, Excel 2007 is going to come through for us in a way that might be unnoticed to the untrained observer. But you'll remember that the result that is showing in this cell here is actually text. It's not a number. It's not a number that's formatted as currency. It's text. We did that because of the way that we had to manipulate things. We take this unit cost, which is a number. We calculated an approximate retail price based on a standard markup, and this also is text. It's not a real number. And then we took and replaced those digits and put that $9.99 so that we've got what looks like, a very nice formatted retail number. But this is text. Well, can you perform math on text? With Excel 2007, you can. It's smart enough to know what you're trying to do. Watch. This total cost needs to be equals the, let's grab this number first, which is actually a number, so that's okay, times the quantity, and hit enter. That's our total cost. But now, when we have to calculate the total value, we're going to do that with this fixed retail price, which is text. But Excel is smart enough to know that that needs to be a number, and it calculates it for us appropriately. We can further go ahead and format that as currency. Now, check this out. Let's grab both of those and fill down, and boom, all our work is done for us. So let's go ahead and save that. I think what I would like to have is my totals here. And for that, we're going to do, how about auto sum? Let's see if it picks up. Yep, sure does. So it picked up on it just fine. That's our total cost. And then we'll do an auto sum here, and it picks up on the right row. And that is our total, what everything is going to be worth. And what we're going to do with these numbers is figure out, if we get a loan, the amount of time it's going to take to pay back the loan, the interest that we're going to be paying on that. Is it going to be possible for us to purchase this equipment with a loan and still make some money? We'll get started in the next video.